So, Ministry of Education, Government of India has notified certain fellowships provided by Czech Republic to Indian nationals under bilateral agreement for the year 2022 and 2023. So there are four types of scholarship which they are providing, and these includes for university students, college students, graduates, or PhD candidates. And in PhD candidates, it's specifically for academic staff members, although others may also apply. Now, these scholarship includes 10 months of research or study at one of the Czech Republic institution of higher education in Czech Republic, free of charge. 400 USD per month for graduate students, 420 USD per month for postgraduate students. Accommodation at the student dormitory for discounted price. It should be noted that this accommodation won't be free, rather it will be provided at discounted price. That means you have to pay something. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, this will also be provided at discounted price. That means for this also you have to pay something, it won't be free. Now, though the visa application fee will be free, I mean you don't have to pay the visa application fee, although they will not provide you the air ticket to Czech Republic from India. Now, the more information about this scholarship can also be obtained on the website of Ministry of Education, though that website is having same information which I am showing you right now on the screen. Also, it should be noted that you don't have to apply online for these scholarships, rather you have to fill the form and you have to post the form to the Czech Republic embassy in New Delhi, or you can also give the application by hand. And there are some specific things for especially for Delhi University students. So if any of the student belonging to Delhi University is listening to this video, please listen to it carefully, or you can just go and check the advertisement through the link given in the description box. Now, what you have to do, student have to submit the application form and the supporting documents, having two copies of each, to the embassy of Czech Republic before 15th February 2022. The supporting documents include letter of invitation from respective department. That means in whichever department you are applying, you have to get a letter of invitation from that department. Academic curriculum vitae, that is academic CV. List of publication, if you have any paper or any journal publication or book publication or article publication or anything, that also you can include. Detailed plan of study or research, like if you want to pursue some kind of research in Czech Republic, then you have to give a detailed plan. What will you do in 2 years or 3 years or whatever time, or 10 months or 5 months or 6 months. Then two letters of recommendation from academic supervisors or employers. And if you are a student of graduation or post graduation, then you have to obtain these recommendations from your teachers. Then photocopy of diploma, if you are having any kind of diploma, like language diploma or any kind of diploma. Then certified transcript of records, that's the mark sheet kind of things which give a detailed view of your marks. Then the copy of passport you have to give. Then this specific point is only for fine arts and performing art students, so they have to give a sample of their artistic work, which may include video, audio recording of musical performance or whatever thing they are having. Now, after that, after attaching all these supporting document, a student have to submit their application and supporting documents directly by hand or by post to the embassy of Czech Republic before 15th February 2022 at the address given below, which is Embassy of Czech Republic, 50M Niti Marg, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi, var 110021. So this will also be given in the description box, or just go on the link given in the description box and check out the information. Apart from these scholarship which I discussed above, there are also two scholarships which you may avail for 3 to 4 week course of Czech language, literature, culture, history at the Summer School of Slavonic Studies. So this is kind of like a step from the above description. So they say that these scholarships are encouraging those students with a partial knowledge of Czech language to improve their knowledge. That means those who already know the Czech language, they will be preferred. The language course will be held in July or August 2022. So you will be having a chance to visit Czech Republic in the month of July or August at the Faculty of Philosophy of the Charles University in Prague. Now deadline for this applications will be announced later, though they have just mentioned that there will be a separate application for this category number 7. Okay, so remember that this specific scholarship given at the point number 7 is only for those who are having a partial knowledge of Czech language. Now the number 8 is the 2 to 3 scholarship with the total duration of 15 months, each of at least 5 months and maximum 10 months for the student of University of Delhi. That means the students which are studying in University of Delhi and they are studying a Czech language, they will be given scholarship to visit the country. And this scholarship covers enrollment, tuition, accommodation, meals, trips, and excursion. Details will be provided by the visiting lecturer of the Czech language at the University of Delhi, and her name is Miss Veronika Reslova. I hope I am pronouncing it rightly. And you have to send an email to virers at saysnam.cz. So just check out the notification through the link in the description. Now, after that, there is a declaration from the government of India that it may be noted that there is no nomination from the government of India. That means whatever the application you are submitting to the embassy of Czech Republic in New Delhi, government of India will play no role in it, and they are directly selecting the candidates from India. So it won't be like government of India won't be nominating the candidates or the students like these are our best students and you can select out of them. No, Czech Republic is selecting the students directly by their through their embassy, and they say that the selection of recipient of scholarships are done directly by Czech Republic. Then you may ask that why the government of India has put up this notice. So they say that we have put up this notice for wider public dissemination of information purpose only. That is, we are putting this notice only to make aware our public that there is certain kind of a scholarship and you can apply for it. Thank you and all the best.